What is VoNR? Welcome to this presentation on VoNR, or Voice over New Radio. Today, we'll explore what VoNR is, why it matters, and how it enhances our 5G experience. Definition of VoNR. VoNR stands for Voice over New Radio. It's the native voice service of 5G standalone networks. Unlike VoLTE, which still depends partly on 4G, VoNR uses the 5G new radio interface and the 5G core. This allows it to deliver higher quality calls, lower latency, and a truly unified 5G experience for both voice and data. Enhanced quality. One of the biggest advantages of VoNR is the enhanced call quality. It delivers high-definition audio, reduces background noise, and gives users a more natural and immersive voice experience. Lower latency. VoNR also brings down latency. This means calls connect faster and conversations feel more real-time, making communication smoother and more responsive. Unified 5G network. Unlike older networks that used circuit-switched systems, VoNR integrates voice directly into the 5G network. This creates a single platform for both voice and data, streamlining operations and improving efficiency. Network efficiency. Because voice and data share the same 5G network, users can enjoy simultaneous high-speed browsing and calls without interruptions. This results in a more efficient and seamless experience. Seamless handovers. Another key benefit is seamless handovers. VoNR ensures that ongoing calls remain stable even when users move between 5G and other networks. This reliability is crucial for everyday communication. 5G standalone architecture. VoNR relies on the 5G standalone architecture, which uses the 5G core and new radio. This setup offers better scalability, flexibility, and modernization compared to older systems, preparing networks for the future. Summary. In summary, VoNR is the future of voice communication in 5G. It offers superior voice quality, reduced latency, a unified platform for voice and data, and efficient use of network resources, all built on the scalable 5G standalone architecture.